Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago at the start of the summer I went to my local thrift store, and we don't have that many thrift stores in our country. We have only one in the city here nearest by, and they only have a square from I think 100 square meters where they have women's, men's and children's clothing, so it's not really much. But they are very good color coordinated, so you can really go to the part of the shop where you want your clothing to find, where you think you can find it. So obviously I went to the white and the pink side, and I really got really lucky because I really find all kinds of white stuff. And when I went to the counter, the woman at the counter said, "Oh wow, this looks gorgeous, all white, but you have to pull that off." And then they looked at me and they said, "Oh, but she can pull it off," because I was dressed in white that day. So I thought, okay ladies, thank you very much. So I did a whole white haul at the dress store, even with shoes. And because I was so happy about it, it's a few weeks ago, but I wore them all summer. The shoes are almost worn out because I wear them almost every day. So I thought I'd make a video out of it, what you can find at the thrift store. And I'll show it when I put them on, so that you can see how they fit and what I did with them, because most of it, no not most, but some of it I have to readjust to fit my size, but that's not a problem, and you can sew a little bit and you learn it on my channel, so it won't be a problem for you too. So let's see what we got. First thing that I found is this lace top. It's a bit of a kaftan, a kimono style. It has rather wide opening, so you have to wear something under it. But I really like how it looks. Usually I wear it with a belt, so I can cinch it in a bit. But it's also nice just plain like this on a skirt or on the trousers. I like it very much. I wear it a lot. And it's very soft. It's more, I think, a cotton lace. So it's not that itchy polyester lace. So it looks it feels very nice, and it looks very nice. Very nice lace. All kind of details. So I was very happy with this one. And then what I found were these mules. They were new, they had the stickers on, they had the tags on, they were never worn, I'm sure. The soles were perfectly intact. And the funny thing is, it said it was a size 40. I have a size 36 and they fit me perfectly. So I think someone had ordered them online and it didn't fit and they didn't want to send it back, or maybe they had to pay to send it back. So they were standing there all new, and I thought, okay, they're mine. And you can see maybe there are already many scratches on, because I really wear them every day. They're very comfortable, of course, and I think they're very nice. You can match them with everything, with skirts or with trousers. Always good. Very nice, very cute, very stylish. And they were only €4, so about $4, so no money at all. So I really like them. Next up is this one. It was too big for me, but I just took in the side seams so that it fit perfectly. It got a little bit wider because this chiffon is over the cotton jersey, so it hangs a bit more, but I like that. I must say it looks very nice like this. The back is rather tight, and the front has this loose chiffon, so I think it looks really nice, really expensive. I like to wear it over trousers, but certainly over skirts. I don't like to tuck it in because of this chiffon layer, but you can do that if you like that. It doesn't look good on me, I think, but it's a very nice top. It feels very good because of the jersey underlayer, and yeah, I'm very happy with it. Then I find this one. It's from River Island, and it looks very nice. It looks very expensive with all the ruffles, all the detailing. It's very nice fabric. It's polyester, but it's certainly treated so that it feels very good on the skin. It's not too long, not too short. You can tuck it in if you want, and I'm very happy with it. The first one was Vero Moda. The second top I don't know. There's no brand inside, so I don't know what it is. But this is River Island, and it's really nice. I like all the ruffles, and I see now that I have to make a use out of it to put something over my head when I put all those white things on, because I already have everywhere foundation stains on my white tops. So I have to make a habit out of it to put a bag on my head when I try on white things, or when I put on white things. So third one, very good, very happy with it. And we'll go on with the next one. So this one is more of a cream color. This was also too wide for me, but I just took in the side seams and then it was okay. It has a drawstring and some elastic, but the elastic is water loose, so that doesn't work for me. But the drawstring really gives a bit of form, and you can put it a bit up or a bit down, just what you like. It's very sheer chiffon, so you look right through it, so you have to put a tank top under it or something. Then in the same color or in another color, you can do that too. But then you have a really nice top, very flowy, very light. When it's really hot, you have something really nice to wear and you won't be too hot in it. It's a really nice top, I like it. And the last top, it's not really a top, it's more a blouse. And I don't understand why people do this away, because it's so very nice, and I can't believe that it's already years old. I think it's rather new. It has these beautiful ruffles along the sleeves with all points on it. It's very nice lace. It is a button-down shirt with also ruffles along the button seams. I like to wear it as a jacket, but you could also do it as a button-down blouse, or maybe with a knot on the ends. But I like it just as a jacket over some other tops. I think it's really nice. It looks really good, really expensive with the details on the sleeves. And as I said, I don't understand why someone gives this away, because I don't. I like it really much, and I'll keep it in my closet just because it's so versatile. You can do anything with it. It's a really versatile piece to put over things, or when it's a bit chilly, when you're only wearing a tank top, or when you want just a beautiful blouse, you do the button downs and you tuck it in a beautiful skirt, and you have a really nice blouse for an occasion or something. So happy with that. And my last thing that I have is a dress, so I'll put that on. So the last piece of this Thriftstore haul was this dress, and I really like it. It's so beautiful. It fits me like a glove. I didn't have to do anything with it. It fits perfectly. The sleeves are nice. The broderie and glaze very nice. It's all over the dress. It's the right size in the waist. I really like the length. Don't know if you can see it, maybe better show it in the mirror. Goes very good with the mules, but also with some high heels. I like it more with some heels. I think it's more feminine, but also just easy with mules. It's really nice dress. You can dress it up, you can dress it down a bit, but still it will be a beautiful dress, and everyone will notice it. I got some really nice compliments about it, so very happy with this dress. Well, this was the last white piece of my white haul at the thrift store. I thought this was really a success. I always find something, but now I really got some nice pieces, and I'm very happy with it. And as I said, I've already worn this this whole summer, and I got really good use out of it, so I'm very happy with it. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I got lots of videos to come with more creative things, with hauls, with sewing things, with hairstyles, all kind of stuff to be creative. So please subscribe, and I'll come back for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!